right, today we're going to bring the GM888 100. This one's actually a NVMe M.2 PCIe 4.0, all right, SSD. So they do have different sizes. It's very inexpensive, easy to use, easy to install for those that are going to upgrade your PlayStation 5, or maybe you want to upgrade some drive into your system. Now, they do give you the actual screws that sometimes the motherboards don't even have, a little screwdriver, a little Phillips, and then, of course, the piece of resistance, which is the drive itself. All right, we're going to take this drive and install it in one of our external drives that we have, all right? So let me go ahead and do that right now. We got the drive in here. Now, these drives tend to get, they heat up, all right? Sometimes if you could put thermal tape, it's an option. For now, we're just going to test it out and add some stuff and features and see the speeds on it. So let's plug this in right now. All right, what you want to do is now you got to right click here, go to this manager, right? That's management, right? That's what you want to do. And right now we're looking for 512, which is right here. It just came up right now. It's not formatted at all. We're just going to right click on it and new format, say next. Go ahead next. We're going to give it F, all right? So, and we do want it as NTFS, all right? So it's the fastest transfer. If you do FAT32, you can only transfer 5 gigs and it's not encrypted. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Say next. There it is. Format. And finish. And that's pretty much it. All right. So now that we have it set up and we ran the test, here it is. Pretty much what you see. Read, it's actually 41.31. Write, 41.53. So they're about equally, right? On the main version of it, so it's not that bad. We're getting fast speeds on the actual read and writes, which is something you could use for your PlayStation 5, or maybe you want to upgrade your drive. This is perfect. I hope you guys enjoy the video.